Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve you don't have permission to access on Pinterest app, you will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Pinterest and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage, storage as you see. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.